Big welcome to today's video. Today we have a question from Kushal. Kushal shared his experience with the teaching and he said, remaining effortlessly in that impersonal witness is quite a tiring experience. Mind keeps coming, flowing. Something is at peace, but I don't know what's happening. So remaining effortlessly in that impersonal witnessing is tiring. Is the witness tired, or is the tiredness witnessed effortlessly by you? Do you see the cunning way in which the mind continues to become the subject of experience, continues to claim that subjectivity? So the cloud of tiredness, which is just a mood, it is just a state that is temporarily appearing. Do you see how it has the power to claim subjectivity? Like you become that. Your identity gets mixed up with that. And you start speaking from that, living from that, perceiving from that. Whereas you have to see the truth of things. Even this state of tiredness and even the state of confusion that you're, sort of speaking from, you have to objectify it. They are witnessed. Even in those moments when it's like so difficult and you're totally exhausted and you can't do this practice, at least even in those moments, at the very least, just acknowledge that even this is something that is witnessed. Only then are you able to experience such an experience. Only then are you able to write about it and speak about it and tell us about it. You are the witness, my friend. You're not making an effort to witness the life that is appearing. Maybe you're feeling tired in the noticing of that witnessing, rather than getting lost in the stream of thought. And that is okay. It is going to be like that for some time. Don't wish for it to be different, because again, what wishes for it to be different? Is it the witness? Or is it simply just another thought in the mind that says, I wish this was faster, or I wish this was easier? You just have to, again and again, as these notions keep arising through your practice, return to the fact of the witnessing already being the case. Awareness already being as it is. And you have to see that you are not these mental inclinations and motives and agendas and these clouds of tiredness and resistance and fear and anxiety and judgment. You are the witnessing of it. Already, here and now, regardless of how tired you feel, regardless of if you just began meditation or you've been meditating for years, you are the witness only. The more you return to this fact, the more it will become clear. The main practice here is continuing to objectify, continuing to observe whatever is appearing without further reacting to it. Because you see, if there's tiredness there and you start resisting the tiredness or you react to it, you start getting frustrated, you're only going to bind yourself further deeper into it. Do you see how that's already happening? There can be no tolerance for resistance. Just don't resist anything. Understand that the way that your experience is unfolding, it's automatically designed in such a way that it is aiding your awakening. Everything that is appearing is exactly what you need for your fast track to awakening. But the more you resist and deny and reject and get frustrated, the more you slow down that process, the more you cling to things, the more you create unnecessary obstacles for your own self. So no matter what is happening on the body level, circumstance level, or the mental level, do not resist. Even if there's great resistance and fear and confusion and tiredness, even then, do not resist. Do not further resist. Always take the position of awareness. Awareness has no resistance. It is simply aware. See as awareness sees. Be as awareness is. And you will not run into these troubles. And even when the trouble appears, even that, you're simply going to notice and let it be. And because it's not sourcing that identification from you, it's also going to just dissipate. This is the level of doing nothing. You may hear this and then try to make doing nothing into something to do, but it is actually just a noticing of being aware, noticing of your true position of being, knowing. So next time you feel that you are making an effort to be the witness, understand that that is not the case. The witnessing, you already are. From that, you know your entire experience. Whatever you take yourself to be is also witnessed. Therefore, it is not you. The witnessing of it, spend more time there, dwell there. Be more interested in that, grow curious in it. This is the essence of self-inquiry. If you want to learn self-inquiry, make sure to download my self-inquiry guide. It is a PDF document that will really help you practice with clarity and go deeper. And if you want to go deeper into this practice and do this work with a community of like-minded people who are all helping each other dissolve mind identification and awaken to their true identity, learn more about our wonderful community. I'll link it down below. It is really going to help you with your practice. I hope that this video helped you today. Do you have questions about your practice? Put them in the comment section down below. I select a few questions every week to answer in these videos. Give this video a thumbs up if this brought you value. It really helps the channel. And subscribe if you're new here. Thank you. I'll see you next time.